Hello vlog. So this video is a compilation of clips that I took, well over a month ago during Hurricane Harvey. We were out of school I think for like a full week, and so even before the storm like really hit, everything was starting to shut down. So it was just me and my roommates and our neighbors like hanging out for a few days. So that's what this like vlog is. It's just that footage. So I made this little intro because I just want to say it might not make that much sense. Like honestly, we were getting a little stir crazy and delusional. I think it's funny. Yeah, there's no particular order, like it's just random clips. And also all of this is like pretty much taking place before we started flooding. And after that point I just honestly didn't film anything because it was really scary and really sad, and we just were like watching the news and crying basically all day. So I didn't obviously include any of that. And I hope that this video won't come across as like insensitive or like making light of the storm, because trust me, we know the impact of it, and Houston is still recovering, and we're super grateful for the support we've been getting. So yeah, that being said, I hope you enjoy this random collection of clips.
Oh, this for that vlog, ain't it? Thumbnail. I'm up in the morning like my mother says, when you gonna get your life right. Oh, mother dear, not the fortunate ones and girls just wanna have fun. Song is so good. My mother says, when you gonna get your life. Or if that's a fire. Fire. Roger, like smoke. Then I hope they didn't try to leave. But it also could have been open the whole time. Like it could have tripped it. I can't see my car. Where is it? On this one?
Okay, I'm going inside. I'm getting back in the car.
Oh yes, my Lord, because there's something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me feel good, 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 good.
This is our current situation. What's the most dramatic thing that happened so far?
So far this weekend?
Storm.
In this apartment. We thought we saw a tornado and ran back into the closet.
What day is it?
Great question. Sunday.
What are you mad about?
I'm mad about a lot of things. But the fact that it doesn't seem like there's all this devastation happening because we're fine makes me mad.
Okay, can you say something funny now?
Say something fun.
Yeah. Okay.
I do want breakfast taco and a cappuccino.
When there's not a storm. Okay, thanks for the interview. Get your beans.
These days? Like we've been in a storm for 2 weeks.
You've been in the storm for at least 4 days, though. That's
I'm trying to finish this book. That's what I said.
Oh my gosh. Go another room.
I said I don't need it to be quiet. And they're arguing with me like, no.
You can't read if we're talking and watching movies in Spanish.
You don't know what I can do. I'm an English teacher. I can read whenever I
Oh my
want.
gosh, boo. You're not going to be able to read. I'm just letting you know. I don't understand. You're talking about reading and you're not actually reading. I don't get it. He's not reading right now. You're complaining about it.
I'm not complaining about anything.
You're not going to be able to read if people are talking.
No.
You can't read.
Only for
Read
that.
then. Just read your book.
Flood update. It's day 795. We lost the freaking remote. We're trying to watch Charmed. We can't watch Halloween Town. We can't find it anywhere without costing money. We can't find the remote. We want to watch Charmed. It's not working out.
Get up, everyone. Look for the remote. Oh, here it is. This is it?
Yeah.
She found it.
No one
Literally got up and found it.
You literally were up. Like, we need wine. We need chocolate.
Eggs.
We need eggs. I need sanity.
Excuse me, man.
Wow, Beyonce, come out here.
Beyonce.
Where's Beyonce?
Imagine my surprise when I came to Houston during the floods and Beyonce was not here.
I have a PhD in anthropology. University of Houston. Go Cougs.
Hey, Professor, what are you doing down here in I-10? Go there to your right.
Oh wow. There's some dripping.
My car is right there.
Well,
This tree is here. Harvey is coming for us.
Oh, Lord. Is there a car seat out there? Janice!
Because the car seat is for Amelia, Dad.
Who's Janice?
She's not. She's too skinny. The seatbelt chokes her.
Y'all smile.
She has to sit.
Hey. Oh, this for that vlog, ain't it?
thumbnail. Okay, I think.
Okay, what's our first triad or attempt?
On boss.
Let's go to Whole Foods.
Oh, yeah, really? The Whole Foods has
Will.
I don't run red lights on purpose. I didn't get a on accident.
Where y'all going?
That's a cute date y'all got. I like long walks in the flood.
Prayer walk. Prayer walk in the flood. Bye. Good luck, y'all. Okay, Walmart. I see.
You was boarded up yesterday. Where were you when I needed a cookie dough?
Where were you? Where is Beyonce? Happy Tea House?
Happy Tea
Happy Tea House is open!
Yeah, you
Okay,
know that.
yes,
Boba.
Here we got this Mr. Machine looking Big Daddy's barbecue. They ain't stopped for nobody.
It's what we found in the flood.
What you doing, Big Daddy?
Yeah. With Big Daddy himself.
Big
Daddy.
They are waiting to get in. Dang. Oh.
But look how many groceries this girl came with.
Nah.
They're waiting for the iPhone 8.
Look at them. Wait, they be going. Oh.
Oh my god, they're crazy.
I feel like they have a lot of food, but why are they lying?
Fam, you know what? They probably don't know when they about to get back up in the stores.
If you
Run,
both
buddy.
go,
You got a spot behind you.
I know, there's a spot.
Sir.
Are you about to get this spot?
Sir,
or
I
this
will need
spot?
you to pull forward at this moment.
Like, so many things were happening.
Look at that, you gotta
He
eat
wasn't
those
even
braids
trying
in
to
your
get-
hair.
Sorry.
It's this lady right here.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Oh, wait, let me get this.
Closed 5 minutes ago, so.
What do you think about it?
Pretty sad. Wish we would have left it too when we first thought of it, but you know, Harvey.
That's life in the big city.
Oh, do you want to start up? Wow, okay. That's cool. Maybe you should start downhill. But
I don't think so.
Oh, you don't? Okay. Don't be saying anything about my weight. I'm trying to help you out.
Where my weight is set up.
Come on.
Okay,
Yes.
don't push up with your legs. I want to actually try it.
Oh, okay.
Oh! Can't do it.
It's not
Do you want to
happening.
start? I feel like you're
I'm
not.
as supported as I can be.
Okay.
I'm
Maybe.
not Gabe Baker.
Come on,
You're
sis.
putting pressure on it though.
I'm
You're pushing down.
not. I'm just giving you the
Yes,
weight.
you are.
I'm giving you the weight.
No, I'm done with
One
this.
arm.